You could achieve that balance in different ways.
Yeah, that's nice.
And use your big toes. Yeah, you can use your heels on those bands, or you can use your big toes. Yeah, get those heels into his tight bands coming up the side of the back. So,
Oh, getting some crunch.
that's good.
Could you go like that?
No. Are you talking about jumping?
Yeah, no, not jumping. Just...
Oh, that's good, right?
Good, yep.
it's a bit like
Kookaburras.
Okay, Rob, that's looks like something I'd like to give a go.
Yeah, no, that's
Okay,
good.
so you're right for me to get up on that?
You want to do that? Oh, you're going to get up. Oh, yeah, you're lie on the floor. Oh, yeah, go do that.